Hola, Assalamu alaikum, ¿cómo estás everyone? I hope everyone is doing really well. So today I have brought you something really useful for you guys, and you are going to love this video. Trust me guys, just grab a coffee and let's watch today's video. So how many of you have watched my last short video? Because when I uploaded that, March 8 was International Women's Day. On that day, Lovable was completely free for 24 hours. Those who are smart already use Lovable for creating many projects or websites. I'm not one of those who just missed this opportunity. I used Lovable to create my own portfolio site. Here is the website. Here you can see my name. Even look at this. In the background, the stars or something, the dots are completely smooth and interactable. See, even the light mode works perfectly. And if I go down, you can see even my portfolio site has a terminal which also works perfect. There's a problem with this portfolio site. No, I don't hate the design. It's really good. Oh guys, you can also support my work through these mediums. It supports the channel. Now my problem is, every time you search this website, you are going to see this edit with Lovable at this corner, which means I have made it with Lovable. Now it belongs to Lovable. I want my own domain, my own VPS, so I can take this entire portfolio site and host it on my own. So how can I do that? Let's have our own domain and VPS for 1 year completely free. Search in Google Ready.bd, or you can just go to this site directly. So here in this site you can get a domain completely free forever, no hidden fees and instant activation. Don't worry, they didn't sponsor this video. First you need to sign up with this. You can log in with Google or log in with GitHub. Once you are logged in, you will see your name on top here. Search for your name and see if it's available or not. For example, I'm writing Shihan dot bro. Bro means brother and Apu means sister. It's in Bengali, okay? And you can see all the suffixes here, so you can use any of that. And mind it, it's totally free forever, but you need to renew it every year. Okay, just click on claim now. There's an important notice. Your domain will not be approved if it does not match your name. All domains are for personal usage only. So these are the terms for this free domain. If this domain is really your name, then you can confirm and claim. If not, then try again. Once you click confirm and claim, it will look my claim failed because I already claimed one, and you can claim just one domain. That's the fact. So you can see here console, I already have this domain registered in my name. So once you confirm and claim, you can see an email came to you that great news, you have successfully received your claim for the domain. But one thing, make sure one thing, I've completely forgot. Once you are logged in, you must have to verify your email address and your phone number first. If you don't verify them, your claim won't be successful. Another mail came which says your claim for the domain has been approved. You got your domain completely free. Now for the VPS service, click on manage. Here you can see special offers. Here it was written claim Metro VPS. So you can now claim your free 1 year hosting and 50% recurrent discount on VPS. Head over to metro.vps. Get started now or something like that. No, you just need to client area, then you have to log in. Once you're logged in, you can see in my services that domain is now active. Next, I have to pay for it for March 2027, which is exactly 1 year later. So I got a domain completely free forever and a VPS service for 1 year completely free. Now, as I have my portfolio site, my domain site, and a VPS service, let's combine it all together. Now if I just click on it now, it says 404 not found because there are no files uploaded here when in this website. And there's another issue that is said it's not secure. I have a solution for that, don't worry about it. Let's add something into this website first. Okay, you have to click just here in the gray area, and once you're in, you need to log into control panel. Okay, just click on it. Once you are in this login panel, go to websites and add website. I have already created this, so I don't need to do that again, but you will see it's completely empty. So just add website, and here you need to add your domain. I can't write anything because in this free offer I can have just one website. I can't. Obviously you can write the domain you already claimed. For me it was skshihannfardin.ami.vd. wrote exactly this in here, then I clicked on add. Okay, now you need to just click on it. Click on files, then public HTML. Here you can see it's totally blank, so let's add a file. Let's name it index.html. and if you already are familiar with HTML language, you have to write this as your home page. Okay, then click on it, and in here write hey YouTube. Okay, I can add this smiley thingy. Right now click on save. File saved. Okay, now let's refresh here. Here you can see hey YouTube. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's see how you can actually connect your website to it. Either you can have a website totally built. If you are a professional web developer, you can obviously create your own website, or you can use like AntiGravity. Like this is my most favorite out of all IDE. You can also use Warp. I have already a video on Warp in this channel. You can check it out. By using AntiGravity, you can definitely create your own website. Let me show you how you can do it. For example, test, select folder. Okay, see this folder is totally blank. First you need to have your own CV or resume. It can be anything. Drop that CV or resume here, then you can drag that file in this chat section. Give this prompt, here is my CV or resume. Hit enter. Then what AntiGravity is going to do is use this model to enter your resume, see all the information you have, like your education, skills, projects, etc. Then turn this entire thing into a HTML portfolio site, and it will put that HTML file here. Another thing which is Lovable. Here you can see I have used prompts or something to make this entire website. Even you can click on this visual edits, and then you can change any section as you like. Like if I want, I can change this icons or anything else. Okay, it's totally up to you. So once you have created your personal project or website, any website using these Lovable sites, then click here. You can't just download every file one by one. It's going to take forever. Instead, here you can click on preview, and here you are going to see a GitHub icon. Okay, so click on it and then turn this entire project into a GitHub repository. For example, like this. I have already uploaded in my GitHub. Oh, I need to sign in. Once you're signed in, you can see my whole Creative Hub. Here the project name, your Creative Hub, is already uploaded into GitHub, so you can download as a zip or something. Okay, now I'm downloading as zip. Here, let me extract them. See, your whole Lovable project is here in the site. So you already have your personal site ready. Now let's take this entire portfolio site and upload them into my new domain. So how to do that? Open AntiGravity. Okay, select the folder where you have all the Lovable files. Folder, you know what to do, because I want to it into Hostinger. As this AntiGravity obviously doesn't know how Metro VPS works, but he knows what is Hostinger is, so it's going to build a similar format. Now just let's wait. It's going to do its thing. I can already see a dist folder here. Oh yes, it successfully installed a folder. Okay, so here you can see I have a dist folder perfectly running. Now here the tricky part starts. Here in the dist folder you can see these files are here, so just select everything here and copy everything here. Okay, everything is copied. Now one thing I was facing some issues, that is if I just drag and drop assets here, it's going to show warning signs and it won't upload. So I have a trick for that. Right click on assets and then compress to zip file. Okay, once you have converted into a zip file, then you can just paste it and it will upload in a sec. Okay, now right click on it and uncompress. Yes, uncompress. Then you will see the asset folder is visible. Okay, now just right click on it and just delete. Okay, because you don't need that. Once it's done, you can just refresh your original site and you can see your portfolio site is active perfectly. Now the last thing you want to do is make this site secure, because right now if you try to log in, it's going to say the site is not secure. You have to then click on it, click on advanced, and then I proceed to go to this website, blah blah blah. So how to do it? Go to ZeroSSL. Okay, free SSL certificates. Click here. Now click on get free SSL. You need to sign up. It's a free account, so let me create an account. Next step. Here you don't need them, so here skip for now, continue for free. So click on new certificate, type your domain name. See, if anyone types this or this, it will say the site is secure. Okay, next step, 90 days certificate. In the click add-on, let's keep it auto generate CSR. Next, yes, next step. Here just click next step. You don't need to select any of these plans, and then click next. Yes, now it's confirmed. So here you need to select file upload, because using file manager is quite easy. So click on HTTPS. You need to click download auth file. Let's just drop it somewhere. Just drop it somewhere. Okay, we are going to need this later. So first you need to create a folder. Okay, so just click dot well known. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Go to your file manager, make sure it is in public /html or -html underscore. This is called underscore, my bad. Just click on folder and paste that, create. Okay, now you're going to write PKI validation. Copy this. Here again, a folder, new folder, PKI validation. Now in here is in this PKI validation folder, you need to upload the file you just downloaded right now. Where is that? Here is the txt file. Upload it. Upload complete. Done. If you are done uploading this txt file, click here and just click on it. Make sure you can see your domain and this txt file is visible. If not, they can't be able to verify your site. Now click on verify domain. It's going to take some time. Now let's download the certificate. Okay, let's drop it in here, desktop. You can download that anywhere you like. Now let's click next step. Okay, now go to home, websites, and here you have to click on security. Okay, now click on install custom SSL. Okay, once you are here, you will be asked to upload a certificate and a private key. Now how do you get them? You just downloaded this zip file, right? So it's named something like this. Let's go to this folder and let's select extract here. Okay, now you will see there's a certificate, there's a private key, everything there, all you need. Okay, now let's click on upload file and let's click on certificate and let's click on private key. Here is the private key. Click on upload. Here you can see I have used Google Chrome and I have already put it here, and you can see my connection is secure, so even the certificate is valid. Okay, so it's not saying not secure site anymore. So here I have also fixed your SSL certification, and now you can see my personal portfolio site is finally active on my own domain and my own VPS. Now I don't have to see that annoying edit with Lovable site anymore. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Adios. Take care everyone. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.